Hello, I'm Laura from Foxtecc. If you're looking to improve the camera quality on your iPad, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll share some practical tips to help you get the best possible photos and videos from your iPad camera. First, start by cleaning the camera lens. This might seem obvious, but it's easy to overlook. Smudges, fingerprints, or dirt on the lens can significantly reduce the quality of your images. Use a soft, lint-free cloth to gently wipe the lens, making sure it's clear and ready for shooting. Next, lighting is crucial when it comes to capturing clear and vibrant images. Make sure you have good lighting. Natural light is often the best. Position yourself or your subject near a window, or use additional lighting if you're indoors. Better lighting will make a huge difference in the sharpness and clarity of your photos and videos. Another useful tip is to use the grid feature in the camera settings. The grid helps you compose your shots better, ensuring your photos are balanced and well-framed. To enable this, go to your iPad's camera settings and turn on the grid option. This simple tool can elevate your photography by guiding you to align elements perfectly within the frame. Holding the iPad steady is also key to avoiding blurry images. If possible, use a tripod or a stable surface to keep the iPad still while shooting. Even slight movements can cause blur, especially in low light. If you don't have a tripod, try to hold the iPad with both hands and brace your elbows against your body for added stability. Adjusting the exposure is another way to enhance your photos. When you tap on the screen, a small sun icon will appear. You can slide your finger up or down to adjust the exposure, making the image brighter or darker as needed. This manual control allows you to fine-tune the image to match the lighting conditions. If you're looking for more advanced features, consider using third-party apps instead of the built-in camera app. One app I recommend is Final Cut Camera. Although it's optimized for iPhones, it can still provide enhanced controls on the iPad, allowing you to tweak settings like focus, ISO, and white balance for better quality images. And that's it. With these tips, you should see a noticeable improvement in your iPad's camera quality. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and see you later.